In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GoHighLevel for cleaning businesses. GoHighLevel does a lot of things. It acts as a CRM. You can create your website through it, or if you already have one, you can add a chatbot into your existing website. You can set up automations and a bunch more stuff that I'll show you how to do in this video, specifically for cleaning businesses. Now, first of all, usually GoHighLevel offers a free trial, but if you click on the link down in the description box, you'll be able to get access to a special 14-day free trial. So if you want to claim that, click on the link in the description to start your free trial. So after creating your account, you will get to your agency dashboard. Go ahead and click on that sub accounts tab. Now in here, go ahead and click on that add sub account button. Now go ahead and select blank snapshot. Since currently there is no available cleaning businesses snapshot that you can use. So in this section, you can simply use the search field or the search bar to actually search for your business if you have it registered on Google Maps. But you can also click on that add account manually button to add it manually on your sub accounts. So in here, you'll need to enter a few information such as your account information and your general information. Your account information is basically composed of your personal information, and the general information is composed of your client's business information. Once you have entered all of the necessary information, go ahead and click on that save button to save this information. After you have saved that information, this will redirect you into this section. So go ahead and click on that switch to sub account button at the top right of your screen to be able to switch into the interface of your sub account. So this will redirect you into the dashboard of your business. The dashboard would basically look like this for new users of the platform. This is where you can actually manage the cleaning business and do the marketing CRM and stuff like that. So how I would use GoHighLevel for a cleaning business, first of all, if your business or your client doesn't have a website yet, then I'll go ahead and use GoHighLevel to create a website for the business. To do that, go ahead and head over to the site section. Now on the site section, go ahead and head over to the websites tab. You'll find this beside the funnels tab. So in here, go ahead and click on that new websites button at the top right of your screen. Select from templates to create a websites from the available templates. Now go ahead and use the search field and search for cleaning into the section. And here you'll be able to find all of the templates available for cleaning businesses. So there are various templates that you can choose from. Over your mouse to the templates that you want to view and click on that eye icon to view that. Now in here you'll be able to view how this website would look like once it's launched or went live. If you want to personalize this, go ahead and click on that continue button at the top right of your screen. And as you can see in here, this template would be added to your canvas to be able to use it and personalize it to fit tailor into the design and the aesthetic that your business is going for. Creating and personalizing websites and funnels on GoHighLevel is extremely easy, and it's quite similar to the drag and drop mechanism of WordPress Elementor if you have experience on using WordPress Elementor in the past. And here you can incorporate your logo at the top left of your screen. You can customize the buttons and view this website's come for mobile and PC. You can also edit the text for each of the text that you can find into this template. You can find the parts of your website at the right side of your screen. You can upload the photos that you have for the services section to make it more personalized. Incorporate some original text that you have for your website. Feature your best cleaners into this section and incorporate the information about your business into that section. Once you're done with this, you can simply hit on that publish button at the top right of your screen or save this as a draft if you don't want to publish it yet. But if you already have an existing website, what you can do is to incorporate a chat widget. Now to do that, go ahead and head over to the chat widget section. Click on that chat widget tab, and in here go ahead and click on that new button at the top right of your screen to be able to create a chat widget. So make sure to select live chat, since live chat offers a real-time two-way conversation that you can actually offer for your website. So in here, you can customize how your chat widget would look like for your website. So you can customize the style of this widget. You can customize the color, the text, the icons, which are basically the most important parts of your website. Make sure that the color that you use for this would fit the color that you have for your existing website. So you can get the code for your WordPress, get the manual code if you manually coded your website, and save this if you have actually connected your website with your GoHighLevel account. Here in the conversations tab, you'll be able to find the conversations and the messages that your client sent using the live chat feature. So you can simply keep track of them into this section and reply to them. Now those clients will be saved on your contacts. So in here, you can basically import contacts that you have already or your existing contacts to be able to save them into your smart list. Now having your site through GoHighLevel is really good because then you can also collect leads through your site and automatically enter them into GoHighLevel. On the Launchpad section, you'll be able to simply connect your ads account into your GoHighLevel account by clicking on that connect button. Now on the automation right here, you can go ahead and create a new workflow which you can actually use for generating leads. Go ahead and hit on that create workflow button at the top right of your screen, and in here you'll be able to start from scratch or select a template. So in here, there's a few templates that you can choose from, such as recipe lead nature using GPT history, recipe Shopify order plus GPT history, and so much more. So go ahead and select that specific template that fits to the leads that you want to aim to create for your business. Now, if you start from scratch, go ahead and click on that continue under start from scratch. You'll be able to create the workflow manually. You'll need to select the trigger along with the other parts that incorporate this workflow. You'll be able to find all of the trigger selection that you have into this section, set the page is from, and etc. You'll be able to save this trigger and continue on creating this workflow. Now, GoHighLevel also has really good funnels for every single industry along with cleaning business. So if you go to sites right here on the sites tab, you'll get redirected into the funnels tab. So in here, go ahead and click on that new funnel button, select from templates and click on continue. Now in here, go ahead and search for cleaning into the template library, and you'll be able to find a few funnel template for cleaning into this section. So go ahead and select a funnel template to use. So you can actually view each of this template by clicking on that eye icon at the top right. By clicking on that, you'll basically will be able to view how that web page would look like once it's launched. So basically, people can book in a call right here. Then it shows what you can offer, and you can really easily again go and change anything you want. It's just really simple page builder. Now you can also connect your custom domain, of course, so that you can go and get a brand funnel and website. We also have this reputation tab under GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel have a reputation management, which basically helps you collect reviews. So if you click on the send review request, then here you can choose the contact. So that's why it's good to do everything through GoHighLevel, because then you will have all your contacts here, and then you can simply click on that contact and send a review request through SMS or email. And then in the settings, you can go ahead and choose where you want to collect these reviews for. You can collect it through Trustpilot or Google. Now the actual CRM you can see in the opportunities section right here. We have a pipeline, and basically once you have a contact, you can click add pipeline right here and then create a new pipeline, and then you can go and give it a name, and then you can add different stages. There's basically so many things that you can do with GoHighLevel. You can also set up your calendars for a more managed booking calendar schedule for your business, the conversations tab, you have a unified inbox for SMS, email, and the live chat widget on your website, and a bunch more things. And you can set up an AI to actually respond right here. Over to conversation AI under settings, and in here, go ahead and set this to autopilot. After setting this to autopilot, click on the save button. Now go ahead and head over to the bot training section. Now in here, go ahead and enter the link to your website into this section. After that, go ahead and click on that get data button to be able to allow the AI to fetch your data from your website. Now once a client tries to ask questions related to your services, the AI can simply respond based on the data that it has fetched from your website. Under the configure intent section, you can actually enable or disable the support and general question and answer along with appointment booking. Enabling appointment booking will allow your clients to book an appointment using the chatbot available for your website. I would definitely recommend you to try out GoHighLevel, but what you can actually do with it depends on what the cleaning business actually needs. If they have a bad website, then definitely going to create your website through GoHighLevel be the best option, since that makes it really easy because all the leads will just be collected into your GoHighLevel contacts, and from there they will be added to your opportunities pipeline and to your automations and stuff like that. But now you have a better understanding of how you can use GoHighLevel for cleaning businesses. Now when you create your account to GoHighLevel, you will get an offer to book in a call with someone from GoHighLevel team, which will specifically help you set it up for your specific needs. So I definitely recommend you to go and book in that call once you create your account. You will also get that through the link in the description if you claim the 14-day free trial. Again, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, click on the link in the description box to claim your 14-day free trial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.